Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at our leading stocks via our proprietary scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Wednesday, July 17th, 2013. This could be an important session because it's going to be the Wednesday before options expiration this month. So we could have some good movement, and if we get a bias, we definitely want to trade with it. Well, today we have kind of a mixed bag as far as the NASDAQ leaders go. We've got a few signals on both sides, but no real dominance. Again, there's some light volume, but there's definitely a better pickup in volume versus yesterday for some of these individual issues. BIDU, trading well above typical volume with a camouflage sell signal that's now below the open. First Solar is 2% below the open and about 2% below the day's VWAP on increased volume. So that one should be on the radar for tomorrow. We're also seeing volume bumps in SanDisk, Netflix, and Sina. Moving on to the financial group, a little bit to the sell side here. Just a few signals, nothing too heavy. We do have some good volume today in Goldman Sachs after they reported. That stock's about 2% below the open, so we got a distribution day going on there. Moving on to the energy names, mostly very light volume. Performance is not great, but we do have a couple of camouflage buy signals. We've got one in BTU and one also in ExxonMobil. As far as the generals go, very few signals here. Kind of mixed action, some up, some down. But for the most part, we're to the downside here today. Coca-Cola is posting a camouflage buy signal after closing above the open on increased volume following its earnings. Housing stocks, not too much here. As far as the transports go, we've got one sell signal. We've got differential sell signal in the shares of NSC. And the commodities, this is where we have a few more signals. Some of the gold stocks are starting to pop here pretty well. The ABX, Silver Wheat, and Double G stocks all have camouflage, all have upside CPS conditions, so they're pretty strong. Double G is 5% above the day's open. The ABX is posting a likewise session, so there's a lot of strength here, kind of stealth strength. So as soon as we get a little bit of weakness in the overall equities, we're starting to see strength flowing into the precious metal miners. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.